Girl, these knees 35 now.
You thirsty?
I'm thirsty.
You ready for this?
I'm ready. And we are back. So what's cooking, good looking?
Hi, gorgeous.
What's cooking, baby?
I'm Portia Simone, and I have my girls, Miss Alex K. and Miss Ellie Well. And this is 12 days of cocktails and core. So we have a special drink here today. We have a Royal Pomegranate Mojito.
Okay.
So we have all of our ingredients here and prepped. We have some pomegranate juice, some pomegranate seeds, we have some mint leaves, and also the special ingredient, Crown Royal.
Y'all like Royal? Do it.
We do. And we're, you know, portion control ladies. They're cute.
And skin, yes.
Portia's control.
Because we are powerful queens.
Yes.
So we're going to go ahead and get this cocktail started. We are going to start with our pomegranate juice. Let's go ahead and open that.
Yeah.
We're going to pour 1 shot that I have no shot glass. And
we're back.
And we are back. So we're going to start with 3 shots of pomegranate juice. And 3. And we're going to do 1 shot of our Crown Royal. We'll just pour the whole thing in there.
Okay.
Portion control.
Portion control. And we're going to add some ice to this mixture.
Right?
You know what? Because it's 3 of us, I'm going to have to add more ingredients.
Okay,
Just
go
to,
for it.
fill us up.
Yes.
Keep it
So let's add 2 more shots of the pomegranate juice.
My mouth is already watering.
Right?
I love mojitos. It's so fresh.
Yeah.
So fun.
That's the trick.
We're going to add some ice into our cups. And then we're going to go ahead and garnish. We have pomegranate seeds.
Bless. Oh, you guys don't love pomegranate seeds?
Girl, tell us about it.
These keep you so beautiful. These keep you looking your best.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna talk about the free radicals that we get to fight with the pomegranate seeds.
Keeping the skin nice and
Get those
glowing.
polyphenols in, okay?
Yes.
I need
And
all
those
I
free
can
radicals
girl.
keeping you as pretty as can be.
So we're going to just garnish our cups with some pomegranate. I like to add a good amount just to make it really pretty.
No, that's right.
And then we also have another special ingredient, which is going to be mint. Alex, can you share with us the benefits
Mint
of mint?
is, first of all, aids in bad breath.
Oh.
Okay.
First and foremost.
If you need a little quick, check. There you go. And digestion, of course, and also brain function. So,
Nice.
Not to mention the Christmas colors.
all right.
All right, so do you like a lot of mint or a little mint?
A lot of mint.
All right, we're all going to go with a
Oh,
lot of
load
mint.
it up.
Generous.
Thank
Load
you.
us up. Load us up.
Oh yeah, I can smell that from here.
Ooh, it smells so good. Look how
Thank
colorful
you.
it is. I'm going to add some more pomegranate.
It's beginning to look a lot.
Like Christmas. Everywhere we go.
Hey.
Let's stir it up. That's how we bought up. Pour up. That's how we bought up. Let's go.
You ready, Shanti?
She's
Yeah, girl.
ready.
Shanti likes it royale. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
It is so pretty.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh my god, guys. Are you guys ready?
Day 4.
You want some too, Shanti?
Right?
Look, guys. Oh my god, that's so good and light.
That's dangerous.
Oh my god.
Because you don't really taste the alcohol
At all.
You be careful at home, okay? Watch yourself.
I hope that you enjoyed this. Are you guys ready for core?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We have to, right? That's the whole point. Earn it and
So
burn
we're
it.
here
Let's go.
Earn it and burn it.
See you there.
All right, grab a pillow, you guys. Come to a seated position. We're gonna get into some core exercises. Sit up nice and tall. Bring the soles of the feet together. These are called Vata Konasana crunches.
It just means bound angle, right? So we're just here to check in with our weight, make sure we're opening up through those knees. And inhale, sit nice and tall. And then exhale, go ahead and scoop under, tuck down. And we're gonna pause for a little beat. Hey, Shanti girl. Inhale again. Exhale. Stack that spine back up nice and tall. You made it. Take a cheers.
Here's a garden.
Or you can cheers us. Hey girl.
Cheers.
Let's do it again. Inhale. Exhale. Scoop. It doesn't really matter if you can say it. It more matters if you can do it. So let's go.
Reach. Keep going forward.
Thank you.
Back to one. And then last one. Let's take one more.
Okay.
Stack the spine.
Roll
Scoop
it
down.
down. Reach. Exhale to lift. Oh, cheers.
Cheers, ladies. You guys did that. All right. Take a sip. We know you're dehydrated. I know, girl. Okay.
Don't forget to drink some water after this.
And take it a few more rounds, all right? Make sure you have that balance. It's all about the balance, all right? Grab your friends, share these delicious recipes and exercises, and keep it going, all right?
Day 4 of our
holidays.
12 days of cocktails and core.